everyone, good morning. Hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. So today I have a day off from work, and recently I took up gardening as a hobby, and I've planted a bunch of stuff back home and I'm really having fun with it. So since I had a day off and it's a beautiful, gorgeous day, I thought, why not take you guys along to a local nursery that I'm visiting today. I signed up for their email alerts, and I saw that they had a discount on a lot of their plans. So I was like, why not take the opportunity to, you know, get some more color and growth and greenery in my garden. Also, I just wanted to share a quick channel update if you guys haven't noticed already. I recently changed the name of my channel from Shadi Style to just my name, Shraddha. When I started my channel back in 2015, I named it Shadi Style because I only wanted to share, you know, like makeup and all of that fun stuff. But over the years I've realized, and I also shared, like, you know, my travel stuff, lifestyle stuff and things like that. So I realized that I am much more than just a girl who loves makeup, and I wanted to share more of that with you. So that's why the name change. So yeah, I'm hoping to share, you know, more gardening and, you know, home improvement, upgrading stuff with you all. So yeah, I'm all excited and hope you are too. Alright, so I wasn't expecting it to be so hot, or I wouldn't have worn like this thick sweater kind of top, and I am sweating like crazy. It was a wonderful trip. I enjoyed so much. A trip to the nursery, I mean. Yeah, a lot of, like, we got a lot of rain last week, so a lot of plants kind of were bearing the brunt of it. It's actually almost lunchtime and Kumar is waiting for me at home for lunch, so I'm gonna go, and after having lunch I'll share with you what all I got. I also need to run to Home Depot to get more pots to plant my newly bought plants. Let's go home, have lunch, we'll then head to Home Depot to get some pots, and then we'll pot or plant all of these plants in their pots. Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, so lunch is done. I also had a quick change of clothes because the sweater that I was wearing was really sweating me down. It's nice and hot and sunny today, which, you know, I love, but it was really hot in that sweater, so I had to make a quick change to a, you know, a regular t-shirt. So now I'm heading to Walmart. It's Halloween this weekend, and we have like 0 decorations up. I'm not planning to do, like, you know, outrageous decorations, which a lot of our neighbors do have. Here it is. See that? With like all the skeletons and everything, and even like this one. Yeah, so while I waited the signal, yeah, I'm not planning to do like too much of Halloween decoration, but, you know, some lights here and there, and like some candy and stuff like that, you know, kids can just come to our house and not feel like we've like decorated nothing and we're not even participating in Halloween. So yeah, just for that sake, I'm just gonna have like some little decoration, and then I'm also gonna look for some seeds. I've heard like some you know, vegetable and herb seeds at Walmart are pretty cheap. So yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye out for those, and after that I'm gonna head to Home Depot, and there's also a really nice garden center there, and I got some pots a few days ago from there, and they were really good quality and really good price. So I'm gonna go and see if there are some good pots available today that I can plant the plants that I got today from the nursery in. Cool, so we're done with Walmart, and surprisingly there was like 0 decorations for Halloween. So I basically have nothing Halloween themed to do. So I just got some candy that I can probably give out to the kids, and we'll just put up some lights and stuff like that, and like nothing will scream Halloween, but it is what it is, right? So yeah, I am currently for some reason starving a little bit, so I just picked up these dark chocolate covered almonds. Yeah, I'm gonna just snack on these, and then it's 4:15 on a Friday and traffic gets insane in our area, so but I still want to go to Home Depot, so it might take me a little more time than I anticipated, but it's okay. Okay, done with Home Depot. I ended up buying just one pot because now that I remember, our previous owners actually left a lot of plastic you know, planting pots or containers that I can use for the bush beans that I bought today. I don't need any, like, you know, fancy pots for those, but I got one clay pot and the price was good. It had a nice like design. It was a clay pot, so I think I'm gonna put all the 3 flowers that I got today in those. And then I also have a marigold that my friend actually gifted me, so I think I have more pots at home, like not the clay pots, but like, you know, regular plastic pots. So I guess I'm just gonna put them in those. And last weekend it was raining like crazy, and this weekend nice, beautiful. Let me see, so pretty, right? So yeah, let's get home, freshen up, and then we'll start planting stuff. Cool, so welcome to my backyard. Here is the container that I got that I'm gonna fill with the plants that I bought today from the nursery. Before I continue filming, I want to show you how beautiful the sky looks today. This is like summery, fallish sky. So beautiful, right? Right guys, so the flowering plants are all potted in that big planter that I had. I'm sorry if by the end the footage got too dark. I was just like fighting the sunset and wanted to finish filming before the sunset, and it got completely dark. So yeah, I think I'm gonna pick up the camera tomorrow morning to show you how I am planting the bush beans and the progress of all my herbs and garlic and everything that I've planted so far in my garden. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow in the morning, which will be a few seconds for you. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Hi everyone, welcome back. So it's not the next day, but it is Sunday today. Saturday just got away from me. There was so much to do, but I'm finally here. And today I'm gonna plant my pea plant. And what I'm gonna do is just use this this regular plastic container that I have and then just fill it with some potting soil. And I have these seedlings here. So this is a 6-pack of pea seedlings. These are called pea cascadia. They are a bush type pea, sweet and juicy, and they mature in 60 days. So we're just about the end of October. It's October 31st today. So by New Year we should have some nice sweet and juicy peas, which I really love. And pea is a cool season crop, so yeah, I hope they do well in this area. Alright guys, so I've planted my 6 tiny pea seedlings in this plastic container behind me. I'm keeping it in partial shade inside our gazebo, just so that it's not exposed to the elements so much in its like new home. And these seedlings are very new. I just want them to get used to their new home and get cozy and comfy. And because they are a bush type pea plant, I don't need to train it over a trellis or a string or anything like that. Last week I shared with you how I was planting garlic for the fall season, which I am hoping to harvest sometime, you know, mid next year. So let me show you how my garlic is doing. It's been, I want to say, about 2 weeks since I planted it. So yeah, let's go and check out the progress it's making. So here's my garlic. I planted a total of 14 cloves, and that's how it's looking. It's been about 2 weeks since I planted these. All of the 14 cloves have now sprouted. The soil on the top is a little dry, so I might just mist it with a little water, but like I checked, and below this dry level the soil is fairly moist, and garlic is a really tough plant, so I'm not going to give it too much water because it's also getting a lot of water from the rains we've been having here. So yeah, really liking the growth they've put up. Hoping that this goes into like dormancy for the winter, and then during spring they can start forming their nice and delicious and huge buds. And this is the first time I'm actually planting garlic or growing anything really, so I'm really excited. And all the videos and blogs and everything that I read, they said for new gardeners or growers, garlic is supposed to be the easiest plant of them all. So we'll see how that goes. And while we're at it, this is a pot where I sowed some chili seeds, and this poor planter was in a lot of like torrential rain for some time, so I'm not sure if the seeds are going to sprout anytime soon or if they're even good at this point. Soil is fairly dry, so I'm going to water it down and see if any seed actually sprouts and comes up. I then have some Moroccan mint. This is, mind you, a very hardy plant. Like, this was also in tremendous amount of rain and wind and all of that, and if you can see here at the bottom, a lot of like tiny mint plants are actually taking over. And I've heard that mint is actually something that can easily take up or try and spread in your garden, so you have to like really be on top of pruning everything. But since it's in a container, I'm not too worried about that. And then we have a couple plants of green onions. I really like scallions or green onions in all of my dishes. I do a lot of like Indo-Chinese cooking. We have harvested these a couple of times and they're growing really well. And then inside I can show you a quick little snippet of what all I'm growing. I have sown some seeds of coriander or cilantro, and then I also have some dill. I sowed chives, which never really came up. I don't know what happened there. And then what else do I have? I have basil, which is coming up. Not so fast as the other seeds, but it is coming. And then I've sown a lot of like California wildflowers in a pot. I've kind of like overcrowded them because I wanted to look, like those pots which are overflowing with flowers. So I wanted that look, and that seems to be coming up pretty nicely. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me, gardening and sowing things and going around the nursery and everything. It was a really gorgeous weekend. It's a little cloudy today, but yeah, it is what it is. It's the Bay Area. November is starting tomorrow, and it's gonna be winter soon. No snow, so not complaining. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me and watching my video. I am planning to come to you with a lot more gardening and maintaining and lifestyle and everything kind of videos, just randomly here and there. So stay tuned for that. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.